dog.
There's Noah and Grandpa. Hello.
I'm on screen, am I?
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, hello there.
Say hello, Noah.
Hello, Noah.
Hello, Noah.
Yes, that's Grandpa.
What?
Where's the dogs? There's Annie. Merry Christmas, Annie.
There you go.
Annie girl. Merry Christmas. And here's Reuben.
Ruben.
Merry Christmas, Reuben. Hello.
Dogs, yeah, dogs.
Yes, the doggies. And where's Daddy?
Oh, I'm such a,
Over there.
such a flea.
Oh, there's Daddy. Yes. Yes.
Clap hands. Clap hands. Oh my goodness gracious me. Very carefully rearranging everything. But you've got to be rearranged, haven't it? Everything should do and be good dusters.
I see.
Wait, pick him up. Unfortunately, your hot one seems to get right down. Yeah.
Oh, don't hit.
Not to whack out of my watch.
Alright, do some more later. Whoops.
Thanks so much. Wow. What you got there? Oh, the priests? Yeah, very good.
Yes, and there's Annie. And Reuben with their Christmas toys. And here's Daddy opening
Something from Ed
another
and Tessie.
present.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Oh, more DVDs. I love DVDs. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Yeah, I didn't expect this.
What's this?
Oh wow, it's like, that's series 3, 4. Wow. All 4 series. Well, you won't see me for the rest of summer now.
What are they?
It's a collection of Battlestar Galactica DVDs.
Oh, when you go to play them here, we'll be able to watch too.
If you would like to, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
yes.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes. Fantastic. I don't know why the woman on the front
Is
wall.
that Stargate?
No, this is Battlestar Galactica.
Oh, right.
This is a remake of the old... Look at that! I'll have to get more space at home to put DVDs, I think.
Here's something. Oh, you've got a ribbon. Here's another book. Bubbles, we'll save the bubbles for later.
What's up the dog's toy?
We've got some cars. Ooh, those are fun. Little tiny cars.
Yes, that is impeccably wrapped up too.
And this one's from Joseph, from your brother.
Doubtful about it, doing it.
That's impressive, isn't it?
Here, in the rip.
Dad?
Yeah.
Well, check that out.
Wow, what's that? Oh, isn't he nice?
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Ruben, Annie, hey. Hello. Say hi.
Did you fall over?
What about this one? This one's from Reuben and Annie.
What's funny?
Oh, he's knocked the ball off. Oh no, somebody else has knocked the ball off. Oh, maybe he didn't have a ball.
Oh, yeah, he's already pulled it off, the other one.